If you're managing a large team and trying to optimize Salesflare for your operations, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how to get the most out of Salesflare for big teams, whether you're in charge of a growing sales team or managing multiple departments that need to work in sync. Stick around to the end, because I'll also reveal how you can use Salesflare completely free, thanks to our exclusive bonuses. Salesflare is a powerful CRM designed to automate much of your team's work and help you manage sales processes more efficiently. For large teams, it's crucial to get the setup right, so everyone is aligned and you maximize your productivity. First, you want to ensure your Salesflare account is structured for scale. Start by adding all relevant team members and assigning permissions based on their roles. With a larger team, different people will need different levels of access. You can set specific access for sales reps, managers, and support teams. This keeps sensitive information secure while ensuring everyone has what they need to succeed. Now let's talk about the integrations. Salesflare can be integrated with your email, calendar, and even project management tools like Trello or Asana. For larger teams, these integrations are vital. They streamline communication and ensure that everyone is on the same page, so no lead slips through the cracks. One of the best ways to optimize Salesflare for large teams is through automation. You can set up automated workflows to handle repetitive tasks. For instance, you can create an automated follow-up system that sends emails to clients at the right intervals, or trigger notifications when specific milestones are reached in your sales process. This reduces manual work, so your team can focus on what really matters: closing deals. Speaking of the sales pipeline, it's important to set up your pipeline stages so they match your team's specific workflow. Salesflare lets you create customized pipelines that reflect how your sales process operates, ensuring that each stage is tailored to your team's needs. Whether you have long sales cycles or short ones, you can adjust the stages to fit and make sure your team always knows where each deal stands. Another thing to consider for large teams is communication within the platform. Salesflare allows you to leave notes and comments on leads, so team members can update each other about specific accounts without having to send endless emails or messages. This keeps everyone in the loop and reduces the risk of miscommunication. When it comes to reporting and analytics, Salesflare provides real-time insights into your team's performance. For large teams, tracking these metrics is critical to understanding what's working and where there might be bottlenecks. You can generate reports for individual team members or for the entire team, giving you the data needed to adjust strategies and improve outcomes. And the best part is, these reports are customizable, so you can track the KPIs that matter most to your team's success. Salesflare also has a powerful mobile app, which is a game changer for large teams that are always on the go. With the app, your team can update leads, view pipeline statuses, and check on activities anytime, anywhere, ensuring nothing falls behind even if you're not at your desk. Lastly, make sure you're taking advantage of Salesflare's advanced features like lead scoring and email tracking. These features give your team more insight into which leads are hot and which need more nurturing, helping you prioritize your efforts more effectively. To wrap up, optimizing Salesflare for large teams is all about ensuring the platform is tailored to your specific needs, whether it's team permissions, custom workflows, automated follow-ups, or detailed reporting. And remember, you can start using Salesflare for free with the link in the description, plus exclusive bonuses for a limited time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the extended free trial through the first link below so you can explore all of these features and more.